Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to Vegan Cooking at Bernadette Cafe with my sweetheart Hillary, me, Bernadette, and Champ. Hi Champ, where are you? I guess it's very busy playing with this tennis ball again. He likes playing. But anyway, tonight we're going to show you how to make a summer salad with light adobo, some corn, and also a brown rice rolling. This is also a cell phone video cooking. Well, here are the ingredients that you need. Half package of firm tofu, or you can use extra firm tofu, either one. And one corn, 2 cups of brown rice, greens, garlic cloves, onions, mushrooms, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and half cup of balsamic vinegar, black peppercorn meal, and 2 pieces of bay leaves. You also need 2 cups of almond milk or cashew milk, and also you need vegan butter. To make the light tofu adobo, first we're going to marinate the tofu for soy sauce, balsamic, garlic, two pieces of bay leaves, fresh peppercorn, mix it up, okay, and you mix it. Okay, you're going to marinate this for about 5 minutes. This is how to make the brown rice roni. Saute garlic, half cooked. Then add onions, add mushrooms. Mushroom is optional. Then add 2 cups of brown rice, spinach. Spinach is optional, by the way. Cover for 1 minute. Now add 2 cups of almond milk or cashew milk, or just 2 cups of water. And add a pinch of salt. And cook it on a medium heat. Once it starts boiling, add 2 cups of water. Now back to our tofu. You pull it out from your hand one by one from the light adobo marinade. And just leave the garlic in the marinade. And we're going to start frying this. Now this is the marinade from the tofu. We're going to heat it until the water evaporates. So we're going to cook this covered until the water evaporates and it will be caramelized. Okay, once it's caramelized, do not burn it. Just keep watching. Drain it out and just leave the liquid. And return the tofu and fry it a little bit. And this is cooked, so we're going to remove it out from the heat. Last thing we're going to do is to saute the corn. And this is garlic and 1 tablespoon of vegan butter. Black pepper, splash of cumin, and splash of coriander. Stir it, cover for a few minutes. By the way, the brown rice actually have 5 cups of water and 2 cups of cashew milk or almond milk, or just use 7 cups of water for 2 cups of brown rice. Hi everyone, yay, it's ready. So here's our summer salad with brown rice roni, light tofu adobo, sweet corn, and salad. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Vegan Cooking at Bernadette Cafe. See you next time. It's super delicious.